It's the next day. Got home yesterday, did a couple of things, edited some vlogs, and then I fell asleep. This, you know, if you live in LA, you know, they took an hour away from us. They took an hour away. What the hell I had to do? Let's get this damn headphone. Because I might go on play some music. And I just dropped my phone. Fat people problems. People rolling up on me like that, boy. I don't know. You don't know, boy. And why his car sound like that? So I'm over here struggling. I got a whole lot of things going on. All right. Keys check. Lock the door check. Looking a little rough. Oh God. So I'm back home from the job. Did my 4 hours. Took a little nap. Gotta take this bag with me because that's the battery. I'm up now though. I have somewhere to go. What happened?
There is a bag for the can. It's a bag for it. No, listen to me. It's a bag for it. The light bottle. And you see the soda bottle and the milk bottle, they go in one pile.
That's a good dog. But this is a great dog. Come and get wiener schnitzel's original chili cheese dog.
Good.
Because you know what happens? They cheat you when they look like
recycling. I just feel this one by me, you know. Back up.
Come on, Ben.
Triple jackpot scratchers.
Come on.
I'll be back, Mom. Whew. So, recycling today, guys. Welcome back to my world. Yo, if y'all want to really see what, look, recycling. I even got stuff in the trunk. Recycling. Let's go before this place locked down with. That bird just shitted on my car. No, he didn't. There's a lot of people here. Y'all haven't recycled in a long time. These birds is disrespectful. Oh, now I gotta get my hands dirty. And they say when the birds boo-boo on you is good luck. I don't know nothing about that. Just messed up my car, bro. Now I gotta separate all of this mother ass. Lord God, let's start.
Oh, every night is like a daze. But oh, I feel embraced. Yes, I know I'm running late. Let's wait just one more day. I know I'm running away from moments. What am I becoming? I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken. I guess something's broken.
That was a workout, bro. Oh God, I'm done. Whew. Now let's go see how much money I'm gonna get. Not too bad, not too bad. Made $33. Made $33, all right. Not too bad at all. So now what I need to do is find a damn car wash. I need to find a car wash because now my car stink. I can't pick up nobody doing Uber with the car stink like this and dirty because of the damn bags. Learn how to drive, bro. But anyways, we gotta find a car wash. If not, I'm just gonna go to the do-it-yourself car wash and vacuum the car or whatever, because it's supposed to be raining. But if you can see, like, the sun is out and it's only 62 degrees right now. But yeah, we're gonna find a car wash or we just gonna do it ourselves. We're gonna vacuum the car. I got dark. I got dark. I got dark. I found one. Just gotta go get change now. Oh, take the dollar. Take the dollar. Take the dollar. Take the dollar. Oh, come on. One more. One more. I'm struggling here. One more. Ah. Take the dollar. Give me. Take the dollar. Take the dollar. Take the dollar. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. No, I had to take a shower, bro. Dealing with those cans and cleaning out the car and stuff, I had to take a shower and change my clothes. Yo. Woo, I feel better now. Take the charger. Hold on, I gotta spray some cologne, you know. Gotta smell good and pink, you know.
Close it.
Oh, I have to smell good. Alright. Ooh, Ma! What's up, Poopy? Got all kind of names. Guess who's here? Aiden!
I think he wants to scare
Woo! What, Papa?
Take him out.
Papa, say hi.
Let's go.
That's all you worried about. Your damn bottle.
Cup.
Cup. Okay, cup. Stop saying bottle. How's your Vegas life, bro? Huh? How's your Vegas life? You said hi to Uncle Cooley? You used to be scared of Cooley, you know. He grew on you, huh? Uncle miss you.
Well, see, I'm ready to like it though.
It's just gonna rain all this weekend.
My does. I'm gonna see you later, okay? Alright? I swear he understand. He be talking back. See you.
Press menu on your remote and then go to on demand.
Don't jump off.
Sit down.
You look like you wanted to jump off just now. Alright. Where are we going now?
Hire someone just because they're related or went to high school together.
Oh, I got hands. Dang, look at the sky, bro. Cooley just said it might rain all weekend. And I got a DJ tomorrow too. Man, I got good parking, boy. Good parking. Boy. Good parking. I should move back a little bit, but that's alright, right?
You're fine.
All right.
You're in the white line.
In the white line. So we came to Erica's job to come mess with her. And we're gonna see people to close up shop right now. I hungry. If you didn't know, I'm trying to fix my pants. But if you didn't know, Erica works at Sweet Green. Oh, I don't see her though. She might be on break. Is Erica here?
She's on break right now.
Oh, okay. She's on break. We gonna get
Hi, baby. Oh my God, you came.
I came to come mess with you. It's Cooley's first time. It's Cooley's first time. You okay, boo? You alright? Hey, it's his first time, so he talking about, oh, he don't like salad.
Are you gonna eat some salad today?
Ah. So let's look at the menu, sir.
Is this the menu too?
No, that's yeah, the produce, where they get it from and all that good stuff. But yeah. Oh, look at the menu. They changed the menu by the seasons. They got soup now. They got mushrooms. What the hell? She talking about the soup good. I don't know about all of that. That's all veggies. I need meat in my life. Pause. So what was that again? What kind of rice was that?
That's rice and beans.
Erica, lift up the thing. Lift it up. He said that was rice and beans.
Look at it when I read the name. You think it's rice and beans?
No. All right. What we gonna get? I want this great green stuff. Huh? Yeah, man, do. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Talking to you.
Huh? Can I have some rice, please?
That's the chicken.
You got that? I had that last time.
Let me try that then.
He like anything with chicken and avocado in it. So if it has chicken and avocado, he gonna like it.
Was that spinach?
That is.
Can I get a little bit of spinach and mostly the romaine?
Isn't that spinach?
Yeah.
What the? You complicated.
I like spinach, but it has
chicken. Yes, we want chicken. I mean, what kind of question that? What kind of question that? We got our salad. Cooley first time here. Sweet green. Little lemonade and ting. Oh, it's raining. It's pouring. The old man is snoring. Lord God. What? I gotta open. Yo, bro, I gotta open the car, bro. All right. We gonna run to the car. He got a hood. I don't got no hood. All right. Open the car. Car's open. Look. Car open. All right. Ready?
No, that's you. I'm fine.
Excuse me.
Shush. DJ Biggas, them feel like a broke talk. You have a bank in your pocket when you walk.
Oh, if you turn your back on the dogs and member, all I wanna use to dip on the block. And I talk about say, who know I go rich, know you rich. You switch, you really do that. Right now, me want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them. I grade it a kick. I tight. Right now, me want a meal for share with me. I'm a friend them. I grade it.